man. What's good, everybody? Good morning. Good morning for those of you who watch this back again. Late start to the day. It's 9:47 a.m. I'm usually here by 9:30 and on the charts even earlier. Yesterday I was up to like 5. So I had a lot of work to do, and as a result, kind of pushed back everything else. But you know what I mean? Like it's just one of those things. Yo, what's good, Mr. R? Yo. I'm gonna switch real quick, Mr. R. 1 second. Let me just switch here. Black Hall, good morning. What's good, Dean? What's good, guys? Hope you guys are having a great week so far. This week, we've only taken like, why is that like that? Yeah, there you go. This week, we've only taken like one trade, and it wasn't even on this account. It's kind of sucky. This whole week has been really, really nasty work, to be quite honest. Missed yesterday's stream, sir. Nah, you're good, brother. You know, life happens. You guys, I appreciate the loyalty and the support. You guys, like I always say, are the best family on YouTube. But at the same time, you guys also have your own personal lives that you guys are trying to sort out, right? So I totally understand it. It's all good. Thank you for liking the stream. Whoever's liking the stream, shout out to you. I appreciate it, guys. Good morning. We're still going to try and make the best out of today. We're still going to make the best out of today. Just try and get a grip on what's going on. Today I got gold 120. Mr. R, shout out to you. Did you hit TP? If you hit TP, we're going to play the song for you and celebrate you, brother. Gold. Let me take a look at gold. Bro, you guys, so I literally went to bed at like 5 in the morning, right? It's almost 10. So you can imagine how many hours of sleep I got. It was just really, really bad. A lot of work to do. And what I did was, I'm supposed to be up by 6, but going to bed at 5 and waking up at 6, I know is not good for me. So what I did is I took off the alarm. I said I'll get up at 8 instead. And then 8 o'clock hit, I got up. I was like, okay, let me just, close my eyes a little bit. Because, guys, like as I'm talking to you right now, because of all the lights and stuff in this room, my eyes are hurting. So I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and close my eyes. The good old, the same old trick, right? Let me just rest my eyes. And resting my eyes made me wake up like 9 o'clock or something like that. So I literally just hopped in the shower, got ready, prayed to God, and then I'm on the stream now. All right, guys. So you guys are seeing me like, you are seeing me for the first time. My computer's seeing me for the first time. Welcome to the club, everybody. Fauci said, wow. What's good, Fauci? Miss Maxima said, fire. What's good, guys? Let me see. Got NQ pushing down from here. All right, let me take a look at gold real quick. That's what I came to take a look at, gold. All right, so you see you caught a 120 pip move. I'm assuming you pulled the trigger somewhere down here, somewhere in here, and caught the move, right? Because oh nah, you must have been in from time. Unless this is wrong. 120 pips is, yeah, like this. Man, yeah, you must have been like holding for a hot minute. That's a crazy move. But shout out to you, man. Great job. Sure said, good morning, Pineapples. Good morning. Because you made it, fam. You already put in that work of waking up when you don't want to. What's good, family? What's good, Fauci? What's good? Love you too, baby. Bye. Right? So yeah, man. Shakir said, yo, what's good, Shakir? Fauci said, Mr. R goated. Yeah, man. So that's why you guys are seeing me so late. So I apologize, man. But I only had like 3 hours of sleep or whatever hours I got. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can do to make the most out of this. Price came into this area, but not particularly into the zone. So we'll see what happens when it gets there. For gold, nice push for gold though when news broke this morning for FOMC, I believe. Not FOMC. FOMC was yesterday, which by the way was so trash. I don't know. I didn't see no crazy move yesterday from FOMC. CPI gave us a good reaction. CPI. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm going to monitor this and just kind of like see, because here this is a bit of a risky play, to be quite honest with you guys. We have price going up, strong push to the upside. You guys already know how this goes, right? Making higher highs and higher lows, and then eventually we start doing this weird sideways stuff. Boom, we start getting lower highs, lower lows. All right, a bit of a push up here, but then a steep push down here. We come back here and we've already broken this low. What is this? Bearish movement. technically we shouldn't be looking for buys, only sells. But sometimes on the days where news occurs, you do get a decent spot for retracement. And that's what I'm trying to see if we can catch one of those today. So yeah, that's what's up. And then SPX is kind of doing the same thing. So we'll see what happens. Mr. R said, thanks, bro. Fauci said, no, Nas, oil, and you. I'm assuming that's US 30. Yeah, there you go, US 30. Adib said, hey, what's good, Adib? Joshua said, how's it going, bro? It's good, bro. I didn't sleep. Well, I slept for like 3 hours, so that's why you guys are seeing me so late. You guys know that the latest you'll see me is like 9:30, but I literally went to bed at 5. So it's been just one of those days, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, looks like price is kind of responding off of this gap right here. Yeah, I mean, like, it's cool, but I'm very careful when price is showing structure for the other way. And it's starting to push up from this level, but it's not giving me the setup that I want. So I'm just being patient. Patience pays, guys. You guys already seen me this week, last week. When I was acting a fool and taking impulsive trades, I lost 2. When I took trades that were with my setup and I was patient, I won all of them, right? So we just got to be patient so that we can pass this challenge. Because technically, right now that we're above break even, we are 4 good trades away from passing phase 1. So we just got to be patient and find good trades. All right, guys. If you guys are here, like the stream, please. Like the stream. For those of you on Discord, I know people message me on Discord all the time. I apologize if I don't get to you guys right away. Like, my days are super hectic, all right? But I will respond to you after the stream. So just bear with me. Bear with me. All right, so let me paste that in here real quick. There you go. All right, guys, so if you're new, join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. Let me know if you need me to spell that out for you. mymoneyforeign. That's it. Foreign and money backwards, and then my before it. That's it. So mymoneyforeign. All right, guys, got a lot of stuff in the pipeline I'm working on for you guys. That's why I'm sleeping so late. Just so much work to do, man. I have to manage my business, man. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the details, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So, you know, just bear with me. Yeah, price is pushing and pushing. Let's take a look at some of these other pairs here. US 30 also pushed nicely from this zone as well. This was I mean, technically, but all right. SPX, gold, GPUSD, my least favorite pair in all the Forex pairs. All right, you've never seen me take a trade on GPUSD, and you'll never see me take a trade on GPUSD. For those of you who just want a quick check, all right, here is the trading account. You guys can see I didn't touch nothing. I'm not one of those who are like, yeah, you know, we're still where we're at, and then you come and the numbers are weird. I haven't touched nothing, guys. Everything I'm doing, you guys will see live and in color. So Euro JPY gave us nasty work. Went all the way up here, pushed down, and now it's kind of hovering in this area right here. As much as I love Euro JPY, the way it's been forming this whole week has just not been very beneficial for me. Hasn't been giving me great setup, so I'm good. GBP-CHF pushed nicely from that zone. We're headed towards down here. You know me, guys. I'm either at like the top or at the bottom. I don't really like anything else in between. So we will see what happens with that. Dean said, keep up the good work. Thank you, Dean. Appreciate the kind comments there and the words of encouragement. Appreciate it. By the way, for those of you guys who are here, let me see if I can give you guys a proper good morning. So shout out to everybody who's here this morning. Shout out to you, all the members of the For Money family, and all those lovely pineapples out there. Good morning.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are having a great day. This pineapple thing is like our inside joke. It's something that only, like, if you know, you know type of thing, right? It's a foreign money family type situation. Only our people know what it is. It's like our hidden code. It's like our hidden greeting. People put in the chat all the time or in like comments, pineapples and stuff. I know other people are like, what the heck is that about? Yeah, you won't know unless you're part of the family. Fredden said, good morning, everyone. Hey, Fredden, what's good? What's good? What's good? Dean put up a pineapple. Salute, Dean. Salute. This week, what I've been noticing, guys, is that a lot of trades are like hitting my zones, just not giving me my setups. So when I was when I was new, when I was newer, imagine that. When I was new to trading, things like that would frustrate me, and I would start saying, oh, you know what it is? The reason I'm missing is I'm not being aggressive enough, right? So I'll give you an example. We were just at AUD JPY. So for example, I would say, look, price came all the way here and just push up. The next time I come here, as soon as I see a blue candle or whatever, I'm just going to get in. Because, you know, if I got in around right here, right now, I would easily be up like, look where I'd be right now. Bro, almost like a 1 to 3, bro. And all I'm doing is deceiving myself. That's not how it works. You're going to get days where price will react to your zones and just not give you what you're looking for. Be patient. Could have been a trap. It could have gone up a little bit and then shot down. Then what would you say, right? So patience is key. We're still going to see if we can get into some trades this morning. It is Thursday. I don't like the fact that we haven't taken a single trade this week, but I'm prepared to go this week without trading, because if we're 4 trades away from passing the account. You know what I mean? We just got to be patient and just find good setups. That's all. That's all. So we will see. Euro AUD's just been dancing in this zone. If you guys haven't noticed, it's just been like, it loves this zone. It's just been dancing in this zone. But what seems like is happening right now is it's like slowly starting to form one of these. Not really like that. More so like this. I'm sorry. More so like this. Okay. So what that tells me is if everything goes according to plan, right, it should be doing this. Boom, boom, whatever. We'll do this. Right, let me just draw it the way it's supposed to go. It's essentially supposed to go in between these points here and then eventually break toward the upside. That's what we're supposed to be getting. So maybe we might be able to catch something on the downside here towards the upside. We'll see if we can do that, because even though we're in a very strong bear trend, since the beginning of this month, we've just been going towards the upside. So we're in a bit of a bullish trend in the short term. So we might be able to capitalize off of that and find something very nice to trade. Okay, and price is really respecting this trend line. So we'll see how it goes over there. Dean again with the pineapple. Shout out to you, Dean. Love the support. Appreciate you, brother. GJ, you guys remember we took this little paper trade yesterday and didn't work out? So came into the zone, went above it, and then tanked, right? So it's one of those where we're within the vicinity. We were too early, right? It happens. So yeah, man, we'll see what we can get this morning with these trades. Price is already okay. Gold, let's see what's happening with gold. All right, gold is, I guess, within this zone now, so we might be able to find a push towards a downside. Let me just analyze this correctly. So here we have, right, you guys know I always do market structure. Price was, giving us lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, last high, low, 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 I guess like this, and then boom. So what does this tell you? Price is supposed to continue. Once it breaks this low, the next one's supposed to come up here somewhere and come down here, right? And then this one is supposed to be something like this, and then let me just do this for you guys, okay? And then something like this, and so on and so forth, okay? This is what we're supposed to be getting. We're not getting that. We have price, one second. Yeah, we have price come down, give us this low, go back up, come back, didn't really break this low, like wicked around this zone, and now it's pushing up. You guys already know what that means. When you see price doing this, it's getting ready to push towards the upside. And with the fact that news pushed heavily with this amount of force towards the side, there's a good chance it's not going to respect this zone. So I, as the trader, have to analyze very carefully and look for a very strong setup. Strong meaning when it starts moving in the direction I want, it's moving with clarity, forming proper structure, volume, movement, all that stuff. It has to all line up for me to be like, all right, this is most likely going to at least retrace from here, because you know, as traders and as scalpers, we don't need the whole move. We don't need it to come all the way back down to here. We don't. We just need a piece of the pie. We need it like to come down to like here, and we're blessed. That's all we need. All right, so we'll keep an eye out for that and see what happens. And see what happens. Look at this craziness. All right, so we'll keep an eye out for that. All these pairs are kind of doing their own thing. We'll see what happens. Friend said, where do the money we lose go? Broker or some banks that have invested in the Forex? So great question. I'll explain it to you the best way I understand. From what I understand, right, if you're trading on a broker, the broker is going to do two things. One of two things. They're either going to A-book you. Bro, what is all this? Let me turn this around. They're either going to A-book you. So number one, A-book you, right? Or two, B-book you. Just put some hyphens there so it looks a bit better. All right, cool. So what does it mean? A booking means that the broker that you're trading with is actually putting your trades through to the market. Trades go through to the market, okay? B book means your trades don't go through the market, don't go through to the market, and your broker takes a trade against you. We'll put in brackets sometimes. All right. So what this means is that when you're trading with a broker, so say for example you're using, I don't know, what's a popular broker? Let's say you're using IC Markets. All right, you're using IC Markets. IC Markets is facilitating your trade. So whenever you put in one lot for gold, right, they're the ones who are supposed to put your trades over into the actual trading pool. But what happens is that they know that 90 something percent, let's call it 90% of traders lose. So why would they do that when they can just keep your money? So they're willing to risk, because the chances of you actually making money is so low, they're willing to risk not putting your trades through. So most brokers B-book you. What happens is when you take a trade and you lose, the broker just keeps your money. That's all. They don't lose anything on their side. But if you do make money and they B-booked you, then they have to pay out of pocket. But with all the people trading, with all the people's money they have, they're usually able to pay you out. If you are being A-booked, it means you're good enough. You've proven to them you can trade. They really believe that your skills are there. They put you through the market, which means when you buy gold, somebody on the other side of the market that's in the pool as you is also selling those orders to you. All trades are a transaction between two entities, two people, whatever the case is. If I buy gold, Fauci, Dean, you, somebody on the other side has to be able to sell me the position. Guys, I think we might get into this. I don't like the way it's moving, to be quite honest. But I think we might get into this gold trade here. Let's see. I need this candle to close. All right, let me start setting up just in case. Just in case it gives us what we want. So we have gold here. Okay, let's new order. We'll do pending. And then we'll do stop loss. Just so we can get a good idea. We'll do TP. Oops. Somewhere down here. And then that way we can understand how much we can risk. So let's start off with one lot. Yeah, one lot is a lot. Let's try 0.5. Guys, I don't know about this still. But we'll see. Let's see. Let's get in. Just to be on the safe side, let's get in like right here. If it comes back to this level, I'll hop into the trade. 1 from 1 to 2. If I'm not going to chase the trade. If yeah, we'll do that. All right, if it comes back in here, a bit of a risky play, guys, but the chances of this being respected, in my opinion, aren't that high. However, here's the reason why I'm looking at it. It's in a zone here. It's within a region that we marked up. And also, usually when price gives us a really large push, it tries to kind of eat back at some of these gaps sometimes, like right after. So we'll see if that is the case. If that's the case, we'll be good. But anyways, just coming back to my explanation real quick. So what will happen is that, yeah, so basically when you take a trade and you lose, it's because somebody on the other side took your money. All right, you gotta, when I'm buying, somebody else is selling. And depending on how far down it went, that person made money. When my stop loss taken out, it goes through the liquidity provider because somebody's buying at that area. And when you cash out, you've given them your money to the market. You see what I'm saying? So that's essentially what happens. If you've traded stocks, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Stocks is direct. There is no like, you know, B booking, A book. Stocks is direct. You buying stocks depends. I mean, there's some shady platforms now out there, but for the most part, 99% of stock brokers will put you through to the actual market. All right, so we'll see what happens here. See, like it shouldn't be doing this. This type of movement should not be occurring. So we'll see what happens. All right, let me go back here just in case we get tagged in because we're about to. And then you guys will see this will be our first trade of the week. And that'll be that. All right, we'll see how this responds. So you guys will get to see me take a trade in real time. And we'll take it from there. What I want to do is I want to mark up real quick on TradingView where we entered as well. I think this was it. Okay, and I think the stop loss is right here, guys. There we go. So, all right, guys, it's pushing. We can't get too excited. Kobe said it best. Job's not done. Job's not done. If you guys are here, like the stream. We're trading live. Like the stream. Okay, that entry was actually a pretty sniper entry, to be quite honest. Trade a good question, bro. I never thought about it. Adib. Hey, brothers, what's good, Ranker? Ranker, someone is late. Yeah, I was late this morning, man. I was super late. And I don't know if you're talking about me or those guys. I got like 5 hours of sleep. Guys, please like the live. Like the live, please. It helps with the algorithm. And for those who want to see us trade live, it helps them to see it as well. All right. He doesn't trade news, Adib, bro. Can you tell UTC time when is the best time to trade so news will not make me hit stop loss? Yeah, I'll explain to you in a second, Adib. As soon as we get off this, just remind me in case I forget. I'll walk you through that, okay? He doesn't trade news, Adib. Yeah, I don't trade news at all. I don't trade news at all. Adib, how are you doing? Have a good day. Thank you, Titan. Appreciate you for the good wishes. I hope you have a wonderful day as well. What I mean is news will not affect my trade. Yeah, no, I got you, Adib. I got you. Check Forex Factory and the likes. Ranker good, bro. Just a few days ago, I blew my $30 demo. Bro, it happens. On your way to profitability, you're going to do that. Okay? So, we will see how this trade goes. All right? What you don't want is price giving you that strong kind of momentum towards up. Yeah, that's wild. That's absolutely wild. You see what I'm saying? And just like last time, I know people, when they start seeing this, they're going to be like, close the trade. Bro, close the trade, yo. Just do it. You know, just save yourself. It might reverse. We're at this level. Let you guys, our job as traders, look at me when I say this, our job as traders is to analyze and execute. Whatever happens, we've already calculated for. If we miss this one, we'll get them on the next one. How many times have I said that? We'll get them on the next one. I've said that a million times. So it's all good. If it takes us out, it takes us out. Thank you for liking the stream, guys. Thank you for liking the stream. Appreciate you guys. All right, gold is pushing. Not too great. I want to go back to TradingView, but I'll just leave it here so you guys can see what's going on here. Oh, yeah. The good thing about when I'm in a trade is this. I can kick back a little. I don't have to be as entertaining because we're all watching the screen. You see what I'm saying? So, thank you for liking the stream. Indeed, I was always close to pass and then I blew it. Bro, that happened to me a couple times too when I first started. I was very close to passing and then getting close to passing, something would happen and You know, sometimes it's psychological. You just start, you want to pass so bad, you start looking at setups you shouldn't. Then you lose and you're like, shoot, now I'm down. And now you want to make back what you're down and get back to where you are so you can easily pass the trade and blah, blah, blah. It's a lot. And it ends up just making you take trades you shouldn't take. That's all. So. Thank you for liking the stream, people. Live trades. You can see it here. Money's moving up here. And I think up here as well. Oh, wow. That's a nasty rejection if it closes like that. But look at the bullish momentum. Bro, the bulls are like, yeah, no, not today, bro. You could do whatever you want. We not going down. So not a great sign. I don't have a timer on this to see when the candles are closing because that helps me out a lot. I think I'll use my second phone here to try and understand, because when I see how the candles are about to close, that helps me understand more of what's going on here. So let's see something here. That's weird. This clock is behind. Thank you for liking the stream. Oh, people in the chat said ranker. Good. Oh, okay. I see. For some reason, I thought there was more comments. Thank you guys for liking the stream. Appreciate it. I'm doing this live, guys. Not charging you a dime. Just like the stream, please. Live trading. And it's not like I'm trading some random account or a demo account. I'm taking a prop firm challenge in front of you guys. A prop firm challenge in front of you guys. You see what I'm saying? Cranny Forex said gold is completely bullish trend right now. Look at the H1 chart. You can clearly see. Yeah, I know. Don't worry about that, bro. Thank you for pointing that out, Cranny. I think you're new here. If you have been here for a while, you know I do this all the time. All the time. Like, to me, it doesn't... You'll see. If you stay here longer, Cranny, you'll see. All right, but I appreciate you bringing it up. I bought another one and just made 1.4K. Nice. We'll play the congratulations song for you right after. And Mozart say, hey, what up? Long time. What's good, Mozart? Long time no see for real. Long time no see for real. This is very interesting price action because the bullish candles are incredibly strong. And the bearish ones that have just started to form are giving a bit of strength, but they're nowhere near. Look at the size of these candles versus the size of the bearish ones. The bearish ones don't have strength. So, I mean, but we knew this going in, right? We knew this that I'm just going to try and show you guys real quick, not to take it off here too much, but we kind of knew when we did our analysis, we knew that, look, price literally hasn't broken this low, started making higher highs, higher lows, pushed up with momentum. I told you guys before we took the trade, there's a good chance price is going to disrespect this zone. But you guys know me. I've been doing this for a hot minute. If I see what I see and I like what I see, I'm going to pull the trigger. That's just how I got funded. It's how I got profitable. Nothing's going to change for me. Regardless of what I think is going to happen, I'm going to follow my plan. So that's all. If it loses, it loses. It's all goody. I will take it slow Friday. Black Owl. Fire. Black Owl advance. Fire. Thank you, Black Owl. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. We'll see what happens. With the deep is all good. We'll see what happens. We need momentum. Like I told you guys before, we just need a piece of the pie. We don't need the whole thing. We just need a piece of the move. Once we get a piece of the move, we blessed. That's all. But yeah, bullish momentum is still crazy in here. And the fact that, look, it created a gap here and it's respecting the gap. It's not, oops, let me see if I could put something here. It's not breaking this right here. It's not getting past this, so not a great sign. If we lose, we lose. Like I said, it doesn't matter. But like the stream, guys. Like the stream. Cranny. Oh, he took the message back. I didn't see what you wrote, Cranny. Oh, Cranny Forex. Is the account already funded? And if yes, what platform are you using or recommended? No, the account's not funded, Cranny. It's a challenge account. So we're trying to pass this challenge account live. I'll be trading for the next, I think, 19 days or so to try and pass the account. And this is with Smart Money Trader? Smart Prop Trader? Something like that. I think it's SPT. Would I recommend? No, leverage is very low here. Trading conditions aren't the best here. Sometimes spreads are decent, but leverage is super low, so I wouldn't recommend this. I would say if you can, go to a different prop firm. All right. FC Mozart said in school for web dev, and it's been hectic coding, kicking my behind. Although I had to just place my swing trades. Got you. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta adjust to your schedule and all that good stuff. Sometimes that's just how it go. That's just how it goes sometimes. Guys, I won't lie to you, I've never seen gold come all the way up here and not take you out first, even if it's going back down. So if it does happen, that would be the first. But at this point, we could just chop it up. K-Dot, so what's up, everyone? K-Dot, what's good, what's good, what's good? You were here yesterday. What's up? Did you get to take a trade today, K-Dot, at all? What's up, K-Dot? Oh gosh, I'm so tired. That's what we have to do. I went to bed at 5, woke up at 9. So, well, no, I went to bed at 5, woke up at 7:30, 8 o'clock-ish. Then I said, let me rest my eyes. Because like right now, I was telling everybody else who was here earlier, as I'm talking to you guys, my eyes are burning. Absolutely burning. Just from the lights in here. All right, guys, that's it. We're done. Gold, the Widowmaker, gonna take us out. Great, man. Love to see that. We'll follow and join and watch the journey. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. I'm doing this for free. I've already passed challenges, got payouts, been fun to whatever. But there's a lot of new traders in here who don't know what it's like, how to approach a prop firm challenge. So I'm just trying to demonstrate how to approach the challenge. It's not to give signals or anything like that. It's just more so like if you guys manage your risk and follow your rules, you'll eventually pass the challenge. That's all. I don't do no like 1 to 15, 1 to 20 type risk to reward. It's always 1 to 2. That's it. We're just always aiming for a nice 1 to 2. We get a nice 1 to 2, we're blessed. 1 to 2, when you're above the account like this, 4 trades max, you should pass the first phase. And then the second phase is like 2 trades literally. Because by the time you compound to like a certain amount, that second trade has enough steam in it to take you to where you need to go. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Thank you for joining. Thank you guys for liking the stream. Subscribe. Join the Discord if you're new, guys. We have the best family on YouTube, the best Discord. Absolutely fire. Absolutely fire there. You guys can join the Discord. And then those of you who are also new, you can follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. All right, guys. You guys will get to see my life, how I make my money, how I travel, what I did for my birthday recently. It was pretty fire. All that good stuff. All right, guys. So like the stream, follow, share. It's all free. Discord is free. All of this is free. You see what I'm saying? Just like the stream and enjoy, guys. You get win, lose, or draw. You get to see people take challenges in real life. The other reason why I'm doing this as well is because when I first started and I was new, I was looking for some form of guidance. And everything was either behind a paywall, which I understand, right? It's business. But either it was behind a paywall or like the information was convoluted. You know what I mean? You get a lot of mixed reactions, mixed signals, mixed information, all these different things that don't really line up the way they're supposed to, don't really make sense, all these weird things. I just wanted to see what people were doing because that's how I learn. So it's part of the reason why I'm doing this is just to kind of show the people who are new how to approach these challenges. Anything can happen. It can go up, down. All our job is to enter when we see our setup. That's it. That's it. That's that. So I hope you guys are learning. Yeah, I know I'm past already, to be honest. I was so yeah, bro. When I think I did a video on this. When you pass a challenge, you punch the air like 50 times, you do backflips. You're so excited and so proud of yourself because people don't understand the work. Bro, look at this movement. It's wild. People don't understand the things you have to go through to be able to finally get that, not only the pass, but to get a payout. It's hell, right? Sometimes, depending on who you are, some people are like pulling like 2%, 3% risk at a time, or they go for like a 1 to 8 one time, things like that. No problem. But to do that consistently, or if you trade like I do and you do a 1 to 2 and you have a really bad losing streak, that journey goes from like 1 month to sometimes 3 months. It can be hell, bro. It can be absolute hell. So I totally hear what you're saying, bro. Let's see. Just a few days ago, I blew my demo account. Unlucky, you lose some, you win some. It happens, bro. It's not even unlucky, bro. It's just there's a series of actions that always produce a certain result. That's the honest truth. You guys saw the other day when we were backtesting. We took 6 trades, lost 4, and won 2. And the 2 still made us break even. We were still above profit, like a bit above in profit, right? It really just is, trading is a set of rules, in my opinion. You find a system that works, a set of rules that work, you follow it, and you're going to get a pretty decent outcome. That's how I view trading. That's why I try not to touch my trades. I don't interfere with nothing. You won't see me move my stops to break even or close the trade because, like, for example, when price came all the way down here and then started pushing up, I could have easily closed the trade. I'm not doing that. It's going to chop up my risk to reward. It's going to mess with my results. It's going to do a lot that I don't want to deal with. So let me do this real quick. All right. So, yes, bro, it's respecting the zone. Yeah, it is respecting the zone, to be fair, but I'm still not too convinced because price has pushed down with as much strength as it can with the last couple candles, and it just keeps getting completely outdone by the bullish candles. So I'm hoping to see a really strong bearish candle with momentum that'll make me feel like, okay, we might be in the clear. Because if you look at the green candles compared to the red, it's nothing to be compared to. This line right here that I drew for like the gap, I need it to break past that and like break past this low. Then I'll have confidence. Gold is very tricky. It came all the way here and went down, which is a first. I've never seen it do that before. Usually, even if it wants to go back down, it's going to wick you out and then go down. You see what I'm saying? So we'll see what occurs. We'll see what occurs. Can't get excited, right? Job not done. Bro, break even? No. Are you saying, are we break even or should I move my stops to break even? If you're asking me to move my stops to break even, you know me. We're either going to take the L like a man or we're going to take the W like we should. All right, risk management and respecting one's strategy is key. Learn the hard way. Absolutely. Shakir said, been making some money with meme coins, but through the knowledge you give with the technical analysis of the chart, feel as I have an advantage. That's fire, bro. I'm super happy to hear that, Shakir. That is so fire. Shout out to you, man. And thank you guys. Whoever's liking the stream, I see the hearts. I appreciate you guys. Mr. R said, when I receive my first payout, it's only $52, but I feel like a millionaire. Bro, it's proof that you are who you set yourself out to be. It don't matter if it's 15 bucks, you made it. Anybody who got a payout, salute to all of you guys, man. Pat yourself on the shoulder, beat your chest. You guys are legends, okay? If you guys understand the small amount of people in this world who can do what we do, you would treat yourself way better. Okay, trading is psychologically difficult. It's emotionally taxing. It's not an easy thing to get into a market, spend all this time watching the chart, to lose your money. There are people I talk to that are in deep parts of Africa and Asia. A $500 account to them is like 5K in their currency. Sometimes like 50K. They've put their all into it. And to lose that and come back and do it again, legendary stuff. We need this to break this low, bro. If it doesn't break this low, we are cooked. And I don't need it to wick. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? I don't need it to wick. I need it to, that's not great. That's not great. It can easily erase all this momentum we did in like a candle. I need this to really break below this and give me a strong push. Fam, you know what, you're 1% of the people to get a payout. Thank you. Thank you. But you guys will be too. You guys, I've been doing this for 4 years. If you don't give up and you just follow your rules, you will eventually get a payout. Yes, okay, break this and give me a strong push, please. Thank you. And close with a strong push. Don't give me no weak wick. Give me a strong push, please. Give me a strong push, please. Please and thank you. Let's see how this ends. It's going to break in Jesus' name. Amen, Fauci. Amen, brother. Hey, if we hit TP, we will celebrate in the name of Jesus. Thank you, brother. Fauci say, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Give me a strong. There we go. We need a strong. All right, guys. So here's always the hardest part of the trade. Right when you're here, price will sometimes go right back up. It'll start playing around your stop loss, all that good stuff. This is where we have to just be disciplined enough to hold and let it play out. The last time we were here, on the last trade, price came all the way down here, then kind of pushed up, and everybody's like, bro, close, move your stops to break even, and it came back down. We just have to let it be. We just have to let it be. Please go over the technicals for taking the gold trade. I will, Felix. I will. As soon as this trade is done, win, lose, or draw, I will show you guys what I was looking at. For those of you who were here early, you kind of saw what I was looking at. But we're not done yet. We can't celebrate. We have to wait and see what the market's going to do. Because around this level, look at this as well. Around this level, look at all this action, right? So it's going to give us some problem. There you go. It might give us some problems. We have to hope that it'll give us enough bearish momentum to at least hit our TP before it starts going the other way. That's what we really got to pray for. And just because we're seeing these rejections, I was about to say, doesn't mean we're in the clear. Because price, if there's enough momentum, will reject and still push you up. You see what I'm saying? So we have to be patient. We have to be patient. Gold can do whatever it likes. It can do whatever it likes. So, yeah, me too yesterday. And waking at one pip of my take profit. Yeah, bro. It just, you can never tell what the market is going to do. All we can do is follow our technicals. And this is the hardest part about trading. Having the mental and the emotional fortitude to say, I'm going to let it play out. At this point, guess what we all want to do now? Price is almost at TP and reversing. What are we thinking? It's going to reverse on us. We all want to close. We want to take the little that we made and say, it's okay. I'll get them on the next one. But we have to let the trades play out, or else we're messing up ourselves in the future. We're taking money out of our own pockets. We're not learning what we need to learn to be solid traders. I don't mess with my trades. I let it hit TP or stop loss. That's it. Yesterday, I closed it and walked off. Yeah, it happens. I'm telling you guys, it happens. All right, guys. So we just need this one push to go down. And once it goes down, we can kind of be home clear. If it keeps playing this game of pushing towards the upside, we might get wrecked. Because I hate to kind of switch screens here, but we are in a very, very bullish trend. Very bullish. We just need price to, you know what I mean? To kind of like wick down here and then go up. So we're playing a bit of a dangerous game. I didn't really want to take the trade, but I want to show you guys what being disciplined is like. You have to follow your strategy. This is why I'm doing this. It's not even to win trades. It's to show you guys that how you become profitable and how you win trades and get payouts and stuff like that is by just following your plan and letting it play out. Price is either going to go up or down. This is trading. What we are looking at is the probability where we mark up and all this stuff. We're looking at the chances of price going down from where we marked up or going up from there. And then we enter the trades. That's it. So hopefully, like I said, we can get that nice push we're looking for and go towards the downside. If not, and it keeps giving us higher pushes, we either might be in this for a long time or we might get reversed. All right, like the stream, guys. If you're here, like the stream, please. That's all I ask. There is no, I'm not asking you to pay for nothing. Like the stream. Like the stream, please, and thank you. Like the stream, please. All right, so yeah, man. For those of you guys asking for the technicals, I think it was Felix. Felix, just stick around if you can. I think it was Felix, right? Let me go back and check. I think it was, where was he? Madrid Pro said, hi, guys. What's good, Madrid? What's good? Yeah, Felix. Felix, stick around. And again, regardless of what happens, I will show you the technicals, okay? Just stick around. I will show you the technicals. Guys, by the way, I'm going to be doing a boot camp where I'm going to be taking just 10 people. I was talking about this with the mod. It's just going to be 10 people. I'm going to be showing them in the morning how I mark up my charts, what I look for, how I enter. And we're going to, it's more of a psychology boot camp. It's not for signals. It's to show you guys and help you guys hold your trades and all that good stuff. You see what I'm saying? Because it's things like this that make it hard for us to continue trading. When you start seeing prices pushing with momentum against you, this is the hard part about trading. You're like, bro, I came all the way here. Am I going to lose all this money? You might. You guys might see me take a fat L and I would lose 0.5%. You see what I'm saying? But can't we just break even at this point? We could, but I don't trade like that. I never got to where I was by going break even. Never. I'm either going to take the L like a man or it's going to hit TP. That's it. Adib said one, bro. I already told you, Adib, just give me time. Okay. You see, I'm sleeping at like 5 in the morning because of all the stuff I got going on. I'm going to do this very, very soon. I want to say within the next month. Okay. Within the next month, I want to take a group of people and do this boot camp. All right, guys, I have to work on a bunch of different things to make sure that the boot camp is worth it. So just bear with me. But yeah, it's going to be 10 people. It's going to be 10 people. I'm not going to take more than 10 people. I don't care what the amount is, the price, what people offer. I don't care. It's just going to be 10 people. I want it to be a very focused group of individuals who I can really like. So for example, if there's 10 people and Adib has a question, I can say, okay, Adib, let's look at your question. Fauci has a question. I can say, okay, Fauci, let's look at yours. If there's like 100 people, it's going to be hard to get to everybody. So I want the people who are in there to get the results that they came for. You see what I'm saying? So we're going to work on that. We're going to work on that. Hey, show of hands. In fact, let me put up a poll real quick. How many of you, I'm going to put up a poll real quick. Do you feel scared or panic when you enter trades sometimes. All right, guys, let's see. Let's put up this poll. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. 10 disciples. Goldly hit TP. I hope so. I hope it hits TP. 10 disciples, Dean. We're not in the clear yet, guys. You can see how easily price can go up and down. One candle went with momentum towards the upside. The other one equalized it. It can do it again. Look, you see how price is fighting. It's debating up, down, up, down. We just need this last push. That's all we need. We need this last push to take us out, and then we can be home free. That's all I'm waiting for. It'll be a lottery, I hope. Awali said, I'm worried, bro. Don't be worried, Awali. We are prepared to take the loss if it happens, and we hope it hits TP. Depends on the trade. Got you. 80% of you said yes. For those of you guys who said yes, I want you guys to understand this is normal. I used to have a serious case of stage fright, right? Well, I still kind of do, but stage fright is like, you get me to speak in front of people, my knees are knocking, my throat is clumping up, I can't breathe, I'm sweating, those type of things. And I started asking people, how do you get rid of the fear, right? How do you get rid of the fear of being embarrassed, or you know what I mean, or losing, or whatever the case is? And a lot of people said, bro, you don't really get used to it. It doesn't go away. You just kind of get used to it. You just get used to this feeling of every time you enter a trade, this is what it's going to feel like. You see what I'm saying? So some people have it in them to be like, yeah, no, I'm good. I'm a stone wall. Not everybody's like that. Some people will always panic. It's something that you have to develop psychologically to be able to, because for me, for example, it's not the amount, right? If I lose, I think I'm going to lose like $125 if I lose, right? So it's not the amount, because on this account, I can get it back in the next trade and more. That's what happened. That's how we got back up here. But the challenge is, for me, it's about being wrong. I hate being wrong. I don't like being wrong. All my life, it's not that I was a A plus student. It's just like, there's nothing I put my mind to that I don't succeed in. So when the trades go against me, that hurts my ego and my pride more than it does the money. I don't care about the money. You see what I'm saying? So there are psychological walls and barriers that we have to overcome in our mind that will help us become better traders. Some of you like, I think Shakir said temporary emotions can be mixed with business. I agree. But not everybody can practice that. It's a very difficult thing to do. You see what I'm saying? Men don't like being wrong. That's also true. You see what I'm saying? So like, there's a lot of things. For some people, it'll be easy. For others, it will not. You see what I'm saying? I remember one time I was showing my wife to trade. She was like, babe, because in the beginning, I was struggling a lot with that. She's like, bro, couldn't be me. If I was a trader, I would just push the button. So I'm like, one day, I'm like, all right, come. She came. She pushed the button. I think we were like $4 in profit. She wants to close. I'm like, no. Hold it. This is what trading is about. She wants to close like $4 in profit. $4. The thing just moved like a pip. She wants to close $4 in profit. You see what I'm saying? So we just have to overcome these things. These type of trades, they're not pretty. They're not easy to go through. They're emotionally draining, taxing, especially if it comes all the way down and goes up. It hurts when it happens, because you're like, damn. And then what do you start saying? I should have closed early. I should have moved my stops to break even. I should have never entered. No, you did what you were supposed to do. Take it, learn from it, get on to the next one. All right. It might hit stop loss. Awali, you let me worry about me. All right. Don't take stress for me. I appreciate you looking out for me. Don't worry about it. If it hits stop loss, we'll get them on the next one. All right. This is what happened the last couple trades. We'll get them on the next one. It's all good. This is all part of the plan. We as traders, our job is to show up and take the trades, or else we're not going nowhere. So I'm going to take the trades. Some will do well, some will not. But either way, if we keep doing what we're supposed to do and we manage our risk, we will pass this challenge. By practicing, man, don't like being wrong. Ranker's laughing and Deep's laughing. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? So look how long we've been this trade. When I trade indices, by now I'm out by now. Price is not going to come all the way here and do that. It's going to take me out. I'm good. My trades with indices are like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, nothing more than half an hour. This one we entered right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I think we're like 31 minutes into this trade. Right? Well, actually the time is right here. It says right here 14:08. Okay, so at 08 and now I can barely see this. It's 36. So what would that be, like 28 minutes, I think, almost half an hour. So It's always like that in the beginning. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right, let me end this poll. All right, a bunch of you guys answered. We got 14 votes. It's pretty cool. Okay, can NVR grow without struggle? Oh, can never grow without struggle to gain faith in this. Absolutely. You have to go through the struggle, the suffering, the pain. Guys, how many times has this done this? So at this point, price is consolidating. I don't want to switch screens here too quickly, but at this point, this is what we've got. We've got price moving within this range. Price is consolidating. Okay? If price breaks towards the upside, you guys know this. It's going to look for a zone above us to go down. If it breaks towards the downside, it's going to look for something to go back up. We are hoping and praying that it goes towards the downside for our sake so we can profit and then kind of like, you know, be done with this whole thing. But the way price is moving right now is just not fun at all. At all. Price is consolidating 1037. And God help us if we meet 11 o'clock, bro. What trading platform? This is a Match Trader. By the way, just so you guys know, I'm not a fan of Match Trader. I'm a MT5 type of person or Trade Locker at best. I don't like any other platform. So look how long we've been in this, bro. Look at how long. So the break of this consolidation will tell us if we're cooked or not. If it breaks above, we are like 99% cooked. Oh my gosh. We'll see what happens. Then again, gold's been acting weird today. I didn't expect it to come all the way here and not wick us out. I thought by the time it got here, like, yeah, we're cooked for sure. See what I'm saying? So we will see. We will see. Like the stream, guys. Please like the stream. Helps with the algorithm. I hate to kind of ask you guys because I don't want to. Sounds like I'm begging. I don't want to beg nobody for nothing, but I am asking you guys to do that. Shout out to the person who just followed me on IG. Shout out to you. What prop is this? Smart Prop Trader, I think it's called. Right? Smart Prop Trader, something like that. Every time people ask me, I'm like, in my head, I'm like, they should know. But then I realize I'm using the app. So you won't see it, right? And it says GUI trade platform. You see what I'm saying? So you're not going to realize what this actually is. Let's check out USO. After Dean. Dean, I got to stay focused. We must stay focused, my brothers. I got to stay focused. All right. So here's another thing, guys, that you should know. You know when people do, like even I do it, right? We do breakdowns. We're like, yeah, guys, so we entered right here and then price went down a little bit and then kind of consolidated, but eventually hit TP. And you're like, man, that was so easy. This is what the reality is like. Those trades that look like it didn't go nowhere, it was just a small distance. They take a long time sometimes. They take a hot minute. So this is the reality of trading, guys. I hope you guys are learning. All right. For those of you who are panicking or saying like close your trades or move your stops to break even, you guys have seen me. If you've been here for a while, you've seen me do this over and over. Some have won, some have not. It's just the game. Okay. This is what I consider a W. Did I follow my plan? And did I let the trade do what it's supposed to do? That's a W for me. That's what I look at. Because if I mess with this trade, I failed as a trader, even if it goes my way. I can't tell you how many times I would close right here and be like, okay, it's going back up. And then it ends up going down. And then what do you say? I should have let it go. And then there are days where it goes up against you and you're like, I should have closed. But you don't want to think. My dad taught me something. He said, had I known is a fool's philosophy. You can't live life on if I knew. It doesn't work that way. You take you make your decisions and then you stick by them. Okay, you stick with it. You follow it through to the end. You talk something about a wedge flag pattern, bro. I mean, yeah, you can kind of see that this ultimate. Listen, I'm gonna do the Awali. I'm going to do the breakdown after, regardless of what happens. I'm gonna do the breakdown after, so I will throw all of those things in there. All right. For everybody asking me to do other things, just be patient. Just be patient. I will do everything you're asking once we're out this trade. I just have to focus here because we're in a trade. And even if I didn't care and I say I was going in and out, for those who are watching, trying to see what's happening, it would be just too distracting, too messy. So we'll see what happens. Oh, gosh. I almost want to go downstairs and get some food and come back. Oh. Alrighty, so yeah, man. See, under normal circumstances, I would be happy because I'd be like, okay, price is kind of respecting this gap. It's not breaking above it. It hasn't touched this either. And the green candles aren't as strong as the last red ones. But it's gold. Bro, when I say gold is just one of those pairs that when I take it, I just let it do what it do. Like, gold is just one of those. It can do all this and reverse. It could do all of this. Go back up, come back. Like, it can do whatever it wants. Gold doesn't really abide by. Gold and US 30. Those two. But I love US 30 because I understand US 30 way more. Way more. Gold is the pair that took the most money from me. The most. Blackout said gold going bullish. Yeah. I mean, look, we're in a strong, I don't want to move, but we're in a strong, look at this. Okay? We're in a strong bullish trend. Strong bullish trend. So it's possible, highly possible, that gold might start pushing up. All right? We got to wait to see how these ones close. There's like no momentum. And this is why, if you guys notice, after around 9:30 to 10, I don't even like taking trades. There's just no volume. I need this to like either hit, you know what I mean? Let me know I was wrong, or hit my TP so I can go about my day. Black Hole to break even. No, Black Hole. I think you recommended this last time too. And when did I end up doing? I ended up winning. Just, bro, you guys, Black Hole, listen, I'm not upset with you guys telling me to go break even, because I know you guys are like, bro, I'm looking at the technicals. It should reverse on you. That's totally fine. But I'm doing this stream to show you guys what the reality of trading is. Trading is about discipline. Break even. How many days are you going to go break even and then realize the trade was a winner? I used to do break even. I used to do partials. Right now, I'd be like, let me just close half and then move my stops to break even. That way, I made some money. And what would happen? I'd make like $50. You see what I'm saying? When I risked 125, it just over time, it just chops up your risk reward. It doesn't help you. I don't do it anymore. I just let it do what it needs to do. For me, it made a lower low, broke the low, and then pumped up and made a pattern up to the something. What is that? I don't know what that PDH is. And then pumped it into and broke down. Just hold W for following your trading plan. W for win or lose. Exactly. Listen, a lot of us are going to see this differently. And you know, when I was doing the 100K Forex challenge series, which I'm going to start again soon after I do this, I would get comments. People are like, why would you buy there? Don't you know we're in a downtrend? Or why would you sell here? Can't you see? Buddy, I've been doing this for 4 years. Let me do what I do. If I got here thinking like you, I wouldn't get here. You do what you do. It works for you. You're profitable. You're making more money than me. Great. Stay where you're at. When I got into trading, somebody said that in order for you to be a good trader, you have to formulate your own ideas. That did a lot for me. If I listened to everybody and everybody's technicals and stuff like that, I would do what everybody else is doing, and I wouldn't be where I am today. I gotta let it do what it. We all can see we're in a bullish trend. I took the trade, and I know I took the trade. And I'm gonna explain after. It's very simple. My trading style comes down to 3 things: market direction, market structure, point of interest. You guys know this. It's the same thing over and over and over every single time. Every single time. And I just follow my strategy. If it wins, it wins. If it loses, it loses. It doesn't matter. What matters is that when I follow my strategy, I will be profitable. That's all that matters. 10:45, guys. Let's see. I'm long on gold. Got you. Kabiru KB. Got you. Gold is in a, like I said earlier, gold is in a very bullish trend. See what I'm saying? So it makes sense to be long. People buy and sell at the same time. It doesn't matter. Everyone can make money. It's your setup and your rules and your playbook. Follow it. Fauci preaching from the gospel, bro. That's all that it is. You follow your setup. You follow your rules. Win, lose, or draw. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Losing is part of the game. Took me a while to accept that. That you lose some and you'll just get them on the next one. Because over time, if your strategy has any edge, it'll play out in your favor. Every time. Right? So we just got to be patient. Just got to be patient. We just got to be patient. So you can see price is clearly like just, you know what I mean? Making its way slowly towards upside. Broke above this gap. Now it's retesting this one. You see what I'm saying? So we don't know what will happen. We just got to be patient. Apostle Fauci. Fauci, bro. Fauci has a lot of nicknames. He had Chef the other day. He had Mad Scientist. And now he has Apostle. That's nuts. Fauci, you be in this. gosh. That's crazy. That's crazy. If you're new, guys, join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. So this is why they tell you sometimes that trading is boring, because it's a lot of this. It's a lot of waiting, a lot of being patient, a lot of letting price do what it needs to do. You know what I mean? Just got to be patient. Just got to be patient. I took some paper trading and all hit profit. Yeah, that's fire. Good job. If you're taking paper trades and it's working out, you're on your way to profitability. Just understand that the difference between your performance in demo and your performance in live is going to be what we were talking about earlier, which is emotions. That's all. If you can pull your trades the same way you're doing in backtesting and in paper trading, bro, you'll kill it. But the truth is, when we get to the live environment, we just second guess a lot of things. We become afraid of certain things, and it just messes with us. All right. Are you guys in a trade? I just joined. Yes, we are. Sifisu Andrew. We are in a trade right now. You can see the profit down here. And you can see the money moving up there. We're in a trade. Okay. We're either gonna hit stop loss or take profit. Know what the deal? No. I'm laughing. It's like saying. How many? I'm gonna do one more poll. I want to ask you guys this. Would you have? I'm gonna say closed the trade. Or what would you guys have done? I'm just curious. I'm not going to take anyone's advice, by the way. Win, lose, or draw. You already know how I stay. I'm just asking, what would you guys have done in this situation by now? Would you have closed the trade? Would you have moved your stops to break even? What would you guys do? My trade today was US 30 entry, sell limit order. I'll take a look at it after Cranny Forex. So you guys are saying you would have let it run? That's interesting. The last time everybody was telling me they would have went break even or close the trade. All right, so we shall see. This is why I entered. Got you. So I'm assuming Fauci said, I'm going to let it run because this is why I entered, I think. Or are you still talking to Adib? I'm not too sure. Fauci. All right. Wow. We're getting a lot of votes in here. A lot of votes. Shout out to everybody who's voting. Move stops to break even. Close the trade. And let him run still. You put up a picture? I'm going to check it after. I'm going to check it after, Fauci. Don't worry. Guys, look at this. Literally what you don't want is things like this. You literally, the last thing you want is for price to give you a move like this and the next candle to engulf everything. Because what do engulfing candles tell you? Engulfing candles with volume, if it closes like this, we are, bro, that is going to be nasty work. No lie. If it closes like this is going to be nasty work. Did it close like that? Wow. Hopefully Gold could prove me wrong, but that is not a great sign at all. At all. All right, we have a couple votes in here. We got 15 votes in here. I'm going to end the poll. All right, guys. So for those of you who said let it run, that's what you're supposed to do. It's our job as traders to let it, you know what I mean? We deploy our money to go out there and do its job. If you guys have ever run a business or managed people, you know the worst thing you can do is interfere with other people's jobs. You've got to trust your employees, coworkers, associates, whoever you're working with or whoever's working for you to do their job. If you don't trust them, fire them, hire somebody you trust. You can't micromanage too much and interfere with everything. You've got to let things play out the way they're supposed to, or else you'll never be able to step away from the business. If I can't leave without having to watch my back, you're not the person that should be here. right? So I can't tell you the last time I was in a trade like this. This is bizarre behavior. We just need, we're how many pips away? Let me check the crosshair. Is it possible? No, I can't. I can't tell on here, but on TradingView, I'd be able to tell. Nice push. Yeah, you know, I can't get too excited. It's done this a million times. Push down, then push back up, and push down, then push back up, then push down. It's, you know what I mean? You do have a point, though. Thank you, Dean. As you guys, I'm telling you, as traders, your job is to show up, execute. That's it. Trading is, we click a button, we let the rest play out. That's all. But it's more complicated than that because of all the things we add to it. But my job as a trader is, if my setup presents itself, execute. That's it. So this is a good sign, but we need it to break here with momentum. We need this push towards the downside. We really do. Because guys, I'm telling you right now, if price fails to, like, if it pushes down here and doesn't close, dog, we might be in a really, because look at the area that we're in. You see all this traffic? This is why it's so difficult in this area to go down, because price action over here has been horrendous, right? Has been horrendous. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We can't celebrate too early. This is why I like US 30 oil and Q. That's what I'm saying. Or gold early morning. Well, it moves. Yeah, that's what I'm saying as well. Like, I don't like, guys, this is just a never ending cycle of up and down and up and down. Like, oh my gosh. Just go down, bro. I just need a piece at a pie, fam. Just come down here and then you can go back up. I don't care what you do after that. Just come down. But you see all these wicks in this area? Not great. This area is mad strong. Not great. Everything that has touched in this area continues to respond. We need this momentum to break, bro. And usually with trades like this, the crazy thing is that usually with trades like this, when it finally does break this zone, man, it goes nuts. It like falls all day. You see what I'm saying? Bro, just curious. If I kidnap you, can I get $1 million for you? Brother, what do you think this is? 1931? Adib. Adib, you're lucky I like you. Adib, you are nuts. You can't kidnap me, number one. And I'm worth way more than $1 million. Let's just, you know what I'm saying? Let's at least get that straight, Adib. So Adib, kidnap someone else, okay? Don't kidnap. In fact, don't kidnap nobody. Because we're in a time where you can say something like that, somebody will clip it, and you can get in trouble. So don't kidnap anybody at all. Okay, Adib? Behave yourself. Adib, behave yourself. Because right now, Adib, you're being a very...
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
Alright, Adib, you're being a bad boy. Alrighty? Guys, you can't make this stuff up, bro. This is just exhausting. It's just absolutely exhausting. You see what I'm saying? We just need one push. We need the same type of push just this way. Don't go the other way. You're already here. Just go down. It's a classic Forex trade. I call the signal. Classic Forex trade. Is a sell. He's a very bad boy. Yeah, Dean, get him. Remember he was on your case the other day? Don't show no mercy. Dean put the emoji. That's hilarious. Guys, oh my gosh, bro. This is just exhausting. What time is it right now? It's almost 11. Oh gosh, is it almost 11? Ooh, that reversal time. Where did you trade the chain go? You usually trade indices only, right? Yes, Siam. I usually trade indices only, but remember I'm doing a 30-day Forex challenge. So I'm only trading like Forex and metals. That's why. I would be, under normal circumstances, I would be trading indices only. But now I have to trade Forex for 30 days. Gold is a bad, yeah, bro. Kablowy. 3 pumps back up. Yeah, bro. This is just, when I say I don't like, this is why I tell people I'm not a fan of gold, bro. Gold took the most money from me, and it's for many different reasons. But gold just, it just has this weird volatility and this unpredictable weight to it that I just don't like. Like US 30 and NAS 100 and stuff, I can see by the way it's moving what's going on. I can tell, okay, yeah, we're about to, next couple candles, we should exit this trade. Or after here, it should blow past this level. We're good. Are you in 1 minute? Yes, I am. This is a 1 minute chart. But with gold, look what gold is doing, bro. Bro. You're just going to have to wait this one out, however long it takes. So this level right here, guys, this level right here is problematic. You can just see, like, look. This level right here, price just can't handle it for some reason. Right? So, oh, man. Damn. Change the 1 minute chart. What should I do, Fauci? Change the 1 minute chart to what? 15? Because I think I know what you're saying. Why am I back testing on Forex? I've seen that 11 o'clock either just continues in the direction or reverses with confluence for. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you 11 o'clock, I don't like it. And we're getting close to that level. Look what's happening. It's starting to go the other way. It's terrible. Absolutely terrible. So everybody who says why you don't trade 11, this is why. Like literally as we're approaching 11, look what's happening. Price is starting to go the opposite way. How? Right? So 4 years of back testing and 4 testing data. And 11 o'clock is just not that time. Just not that time. 5 minute at least. I think I know what you're talking about. Like when you change the chart to a higher time frame, the movement doesn't get you as much because it's just like one candle and it doesn't look as bad. On the 1 minute, every candle makes your heart go up and down, right? But guys, I live in the 1 minute forest. This is where I hunt. So just another day in the office. Adib said, instead of giving me back, Adib, I can't say this the way I want to say this because we're on live. But if you ever try to kidnap me, Adib, whatever you're hoping I'll do, that'll be your position, if anything. And Diligence said, any updates on the funded trader 200K challenge accounts? No, nothing, brother. Nothing at all, bro. Sorry. I have no updates on that whatsoever. Zero. Ranker. Yeah, Ranker, can you believe Adib? Adib is out here scheming. He don't want to trade. He don't want to make money. He wants to kidnap me and then force me to trade for him. You know what I would do, Adib? If you ever put me in that position, I would blow all your accounts. Every single one. I would like 50 lot at the worst points. Like after price has dipped, that's when I'm hitting sell. 50 lots. Thank you guys for liking the stream. I appreciate it. We do this every day, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. Be here or be square. Be there or be square. Whatever. Alrighty. He want easy money. No such thing, brother. Everything you got to work for. You know what they say about Forex? Forex is the hardest way to make easy money. And it's true, bro. You can make like 10K. This one move that I'm taking that I'm going to make, like if it goes to like, let's say 250, somebody will make 25K on that. Somebody will make 200K. Somebody will make 2,000. Right? But what it takes to get to those levels, different ball game. Thank you, guys. I appreciate all the love, bro. Shout out to all you guys. That is so fire. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Gold is just not messing with us today. It's determined to go up. But, I mean, to be fair, we entered this understanding we're in a very strong bullish trend, so what can you expect, right? We can only hope that our strategy and our technical still align correctly and it ends up doing what it needs to do. I received a survey from the funded trader regarding to switch to NIPRO because they stopped sending accounts over 50K. Have you received the mail from TFT? No, because my biggest account with them was 50K. That's why. Yokeris JT, thank you for the fire emojis, brother. Appreciate you. We do this every day. I'm just trying to show people, I'm trying to take a live challenge to show people how to take a challenge. That's it. It's not for signals. It's not to sell a course. I don't sell a course on that. It's just so that people who are new can understand the approach and the realities of taking prop from challenges. Because everybody on the internet comes and says, guys, I'm going to show you this trade that I took and how I passed this challenge. They show you after they've passed. But the question is, how many challenges did they go through before they came on your screen, right? Before they came to show you what they passed. So I just want to show you guys in real time what it's like. Win, lose, or draw. I hope you guys learn from this. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to you. Get us to the algorithm is delivering sales on GJ. Got you. We'll take a look, guys. All of you guys sending me these other like things to look at. I appreciate it. We usually look at them when I'm not in a trade, but today we're in a trade, so we must stay focused, brothers. We must stay focused. Bum, 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 bum. What a weird trading session. It's 11 o'clock. Hopefully it'll just like Kados to just continue falling. Can I join the boot camp? Yeah. In fact, you guys, I'm gonna make something on the Discord and in the site where you guys can sign up ahead of time for the boot camp, so that when I release the details, you guys, I guess, will have best chances of getting in. Because I don't know how many people are gonna enter. It could be like only one person, right? And you might win by default, or it could be all the hundreds of people in the Discord. So we don't know. We don't know. Guys, here's the level that price has struggled to break. If it doesn't break this, if it keeps doing this wick stuff, that's it. Like, we're just not ever... It's been here. Look, it came here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. It's here again. We need this to break these levels and close. And close. Not the Diddy camp. Must sit on your hands. Yes, Fauci. And yes, no Diddy over here, please, guys. None of that. None of that. None of that. We need this, guys. We need this to close below, bro. If it doesn't close below, we are toast. Because this level is showing too much strength. I think we're going to close soon. Probably got like 10 more seconds or so. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. What I say? What did I say? Look at this. This level is like undefeated. You just can't break below this level. But if it breaks below this level, it'll push for a bit before it goes back up, I feel like. We'll see. We will see. We will see. Talk to it in Afrikaans? Nah, bro. I'm not doing that today still. I'm not doing that. I'm going to just let it do what it needs to do. I'm going to just let it do what it needs to do. So... yeah, this level is just proving to be quite strong, right? Price keeps flirting with that zone, but can't seem to break past it. Like, it got a decent push, but couldn't close. You know what I mean? Like, getting to this level is not the issue. You need it to close. If it doesn't close below that, yeah, bro, look at that. Look at that. Guys, just wanted to break the tension because everyone became too serious about the trade. Anyway, I don't have the money to hire kidnappers if I had. Yo, Adi. Adi. If UX is going to hit your TP, most likely. I have the money for your deep. Rancor, don't even. Yo, you guys watch. Y'all wanna scheme about kidnapping me? Watch. Guys, we need this to close below, bro. Just close, dog. Just close. If it closes like this, we might have what we're looking for. Come on, bro. Give us the nice... okay, guys, we're almost there. We're almost there. Please hit TP. I beg you. Oh, my gosh, bro. You can't make this stuff up. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Come on, bro. Just one more push. One more push, and I'm out. You guys, are you guys seeing this? The realities of trading? This is what it takes. Holding your trades. This is what it takes. This is what it takes. There are no shortcuts. Thank you, Deseka, for the W. Thank you. Thank you. Move your TP lower. No. No, Fauci. I'm not doing that. Okay, so here, what we have right now is price broke past this low, gave us a strong push, but now price is like, yeah, that's as far as you're going. You guys, I think this is literally the beginning of the reversal if it closes above that. Look at the momentum. Oh my gosh, we're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked, guys. Oh my goodness. Yep. GG's, ladies and gentlemen. GG's. Write prayer letters to go, bro. I'm not doing that, bro. Listen, I didn't get enough sleep. I ain't got enough. I'm barely staying awake just to entertain you guys. I don't have the energy to write letters and all that stuff right now. I just can't. I might actually leave and go get some food because this is just taking way too long. You guys mind if I leave to go get some food? You guys mind if I leave? I'll leave the charts running, but I'm gonna walk away, maybe go get some breakfast or something and come back. I'm not leaving my office. I'm just thing. Nah, you're not. Not what? Not what, Fauci? No, I'm not allowed to go until it hits TP or stop loss? All right, fair enough. Fair enough. Hey, brother. Hey, Javier. What's good? What's good? What's good? Go. Fauci said we mind. Dean said huddle. Oh, my God. Go. Get you food. Bro, maybe I should put up a poll. It'll be easier. I appreciate everybody, by the way, who's saying get me some food. All of you kidnappers out there trying to keep me up here. Let me see. Should I leave to go get some food and come back? All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what the poll says. Let's see what the poll says. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Boom, boom. Push the down. And we are good to eat. Yeah, if we get that, we just need one more push. Because the next push below this will be enough for us to get what we need to get. That's all we need. Just need one more push to the downside, bro. Man, gold. My goodness. This is how you stay? Sheesh. All right, 15 minutes left to hit TP. All right. Okay, so we got like 10 votes in here. Most people said yes. All right, guys, I'm gonna, oh man. All right, wait, maybe this might be the push we're looking for. Let's see. Let's see. I appreciate you guys saying I could go. I'm gonna see what happens here in the next couple candles, and then I'll take it from there. I need these the way these candles are acting here is just horrific. This zone is so difficult. It's so difficult. Give us like one push. That's all we need. This is literally becoming frustrating. Literally. Empower say TP's assured. Thank you, Empower. Where are you going with seeing the end of this dramatic gold story? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's kind of close, so let me see what happens. Let me see what happens. Guys, oh, please, gold. I'm begging you, bro. Just right there. At this point, guys, it's just getting annoying. No lie. It's just getting annoying. It's just getting annoying. Come on. Just one more push. One more push, bro. You listen, once you come down here, you can do whatever you like. I don't care if you shoot to the moon. Just this is why I look at the 5 minute. Got you, Fauci. Got you. Look at this. Oh my gosh, bro. Waiting to post my fire emoji. I appreciate you. Listen, shout out to Empower Hour. He is full steam behind this trade. I appreciate you, brother. I hope not even for my sake, but for your sake, we do get to hit TP and we could celebrate hard. Shout out to you. I appreciate the confidence. Everybody else is telling me, why are you selling it? And it's bullish. Yeah, I know. I'm not blind. Oh my gosh. I want to get up and go, bro. But at the same time, suppose I'm downstairs making food and then it hits TP. You know what I mean? It's not going to be the same. When we've sat through this trade together as a family for the last, 40 minutes? Like, gold, what is your problem, bro? What is your problem? Oh my gosh, bro. We are scalpers. Gold is tripping. For real. Gold is just like... Bro, this feels like a swing. It feels like a swing trade for real. It feels like I've been holding for weeks. Man. Unbelievable. 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 Just give me like, why do you come all the way down here? All the way down here and don't give me what I want, bro. Just... Bro, if you're going to cook food, put the break even on this one. No, Black Owl. I appreciate you. I know you guys said this last time. Put the break even. I get it. You know what I mean? For price to come all the way up here and hit TP, it doesn't make sense to you. But bro, I can't interfere with my trades. It's one of my rules. I just let it be. I just let it be, man. No matter what, win, lose, or draw, I have to let it be. It's what God taught me to do. You know what I'm saying? I used to pray, ask God for help. Lord, help me to become profitable. And I had to realize you got to let your trades, you've got to let them play out. You've just got to commit. Because there was times where I'd be like, okay, you know what? If I started closing early, then I would be up by now. But it's like you can't think like that. It's just not how it works. At least not for me. I'm willing. Even if it means going all the way up to stop loss, I'm willing. I'll have to eat dinner at this rate. Probably. I'll have to live stream me eating dinner. This is like crazy work. This is crazy work, bro. I said he don't do break even. Just respect my strategy. Yes, sir. I don't do break even, no matter how bad it's going to look. If this ends up hitting stop loss, everyone's going to say, you should have closed, should have moved stay. Sure. But I wouldn't be where I am. Move stop loss to TP. Show. Yo, that's hilarious. I wouldn't be where I am if I didn't practice what I preach. I have to commit, guys. This is just how it goes, okay? We're at 130, whatever the case is. We need price to come down here. Give us our TP, and then we can go home. All right, let me just switch over here real quick. Guys, look at this. It's just nonsense. Lol, just lol. Hey, DJ, what's good? DJ, I was talking about you earlier. I was saying that I'm going to respond to your what's it called? Your Discord message, all right? I slept at 5 in the morning. Super busy last night, so I didn't get a chance to respond to you and everybody else who messaged me. But I will after this stream. Guys, here's the only thing about this that I don't like. I won't lie. Not only do we have this super strong level that price hasn't broken. You see how price came down, gave us a lower low, and now it's giving us highs? That's a reversal pattern. I'm praying this is one of those failing reversal patterns where, you know what I mean? But we are in a strong bullish trend for gold. So you see what I'm saying? It's not looking great. We also have, let me see if I could draw something here. We also have what seems to be this. Looks like we got this going on. And this tells me at some point gold is going to break towards the upside. Even if it comes down and takes us out first, it's going to go down a little bit and then eventually go back up. So that's why we're not getting what we want to get. Price is pretty much just consolidating in this channel. This is just terrible. Greeting, lovely pineapple. What's good? Yolomi, long time no see. Yolomi. We will see an impulsive move to the down soon. Amen, bro. Is Empower Hour a profit, bro? Shout out to you. Fauci said Shosho's funny. Yeah, Shosho's hilarious. Black Hall's laughing. DJ said, foreign, that's all right. Just logged in. Got you. Greetings, Ilomi at Fauci. And then the Bulls are done. Let's push down. All right. I hope you're right, brother. I hope you're right. All I know is that I did the technicals. Gotta let the rest play out. This trade has been holding me hostage. I want to go eat. I gotta go back to work. And we're still here. And what I hate is how gold will give you like a really strong push to the downside, and the next candle will just erase all of that. Like, what are you on, bro? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Been watching you on TV, so I couldn't comment. Oh, I see. Shout out for, hey, you guys. Look, mom, I made it. I'm on TV. You love me watching me on TV? Fire. Shout out to you, Lomi. Oh my God. Empower Hour, I hope your prophecy comes true, because this push is diabolical. That's game. It's breaking highs, so we're most likely cooked. We're most likely cooked. Kingsley said, is this a 10K account? No, 25K account. 25K. In this case, I think of Kablowi. Yeah, Adib, it's a 25K account. And Kingsley said, thanks, I learned with Adib. Yeah, you're welcome for Adib. I'm saying you're welcome on behalf of Adib for you. But yeah, 25K account. Guys, look, we were all the way almost at TP. This is just diabolical work, bro. All right, guys, we just got to hold. This is just how trading goes. We've just got to hold. And like I said, we're prepared, right? Like if worst case scenario, if price ends up going all the way to stop loss, we were prepared for that. They say when you take a trade, you're supposed to already take it like you lost the money. So whatever happens after that is a bonus. I don't mind. My thing is like, look at how long this has taken to play out. It's just insane. I pray to God. Okay, I was about to say at least close. We'll see what happens. If it equalizes the next candle, I don't know what to tell you guys. Trust the process. Absolutely. I'm extremely happy. Yes, I'm extremely happy. I don't know if you can define the word extremely. Yeah, man. Fauci's laughing. Bro, we've been here a million times. It just keeps doing this. It goes up, pushes down with strength, and then right when it gets to this level, it can't break past it. KBFX at fire. Hey, shout out to you, KBFX. I think you're new. Shout out to you. Appreciate the fire emojis. We've been in this trade for like 40 minutes now. You know what I mean? Shout out to you. Thanks for joining. If you're new, join the Discord. We have the best family on YouTube, hands down. Everybody's sharing live trades in there all the time, every day, helping each other out the best. And if you guys are new, make sure to follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. Let me type that up real quick. All right, mymoneyforeign. Okay? You sound Nigerian. Yeah, I know people say that all the time. My African accent is a lot closer to Nigerian accent. I'm actually Ghanaian. I'm Ghanaian. But my sisters, I have 5 sisters, used to watch a lot of Nigerian movies. So the accent is like from that. I was born here in Canada, so I can speak my language though. I'm not one of those wastemans that can't speak the language. You know those guys when they're speaking the language, they'd be like, pocho, me pesa me kade. You know, and they sound like they're basically speaking English, but just speaking gibberish. Guys, are we going to hit TP? Are we going to hit TP? Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Yeah! Yo, let me get this on stream. Let me get this on stream, bro. Oh my gosh. Fire emojis in the chat, guys. Fire emojis in the chat. Thank you. Fire emojis in the chat, guys. Fire emojis in the chat. Patience pays. Fire emojis, guys. Fire emojis in the chat. Fire emojis in the chat. Fire emojis in the chat. Holy father. That was one of the longest trades I've been in a long time. For those of you who said I should close, follow your strategy, guys. I'm glad for your sakes that God let us go through this so that you guys can see the realities of trading. Subscribe if you're new. Join the Discord. We do this every day, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Every single day. Every single day. Every single day. All right, guys. I'm about to play the congratulations song. 1 second. 1 second, guys. I want you guys, when I tell you, please spam the chat with as much as you can. You guys are going to be on my Instagram. I'm gonna put you guys on Instagram. Give me 1 second. As soon as I say go, I want you guys to spam. All right. You guys ready? We're about to play our congratulations song. So on a count of 3, bro, always trust the process. Shout out to Empower Hour for real. You are legendary. On a count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Spam as much as you can. You're going to be on my Instagram. Spam. W's in the chat. Fire emojis. All that good stuff. Spam, 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 spam. Spam fire emojis in the chat. We hit TP, guys. And we are going to play our congratulations. W's in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. W's in the chat. Fire emojis
W's
and all.
in the shot. W's in the shot.
Yes, sir. For everybody who stuck it through, for everybody who was here for the long, long ride, congratulations to every single one of us.
Congratulations.
You're going to be on Instagram. Make sure they know you were here. You're going to be on Instagram.
I am happy for you. Likely, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher.
Fire.
Congratulations. Yeah, I celebrate you.
Clap it up, clap it up. Congratulations to all the For Money chat. Shout out to all you guys. Once again, congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
And as always, we are extremely happy.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Yes, sir. Guys, patience pays, all right? You guys saw me do this in real time. Okay? I'm not out here. I'm not a guru, okay? I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy who learned, and I'm just sharing free with you guys for free what I learned. But you guys saw in real time. Every time you guys kept saying close, because price kept going up and down and up and down. Close, bro. Move your stops to break even, all that stuff. You have to follow your strategy. Let it hit TP or stop loss. That's what I follow. That's what God taught me, and that's all I use. If you have good risk management and you allow your trades to play out, you will, you know what I mean? You will pass your challenges and make profit. So guys, we're now, I think, just over 1% on the account. Not bad. So I think I'm going to try and get another 1%. Then I'm going to start risking 1% per trade instead of 0.5%. You guys remember we were down at some point. I let my wife take the trade, and she lost us like $400 in one shot, right? And then after that, I had to recover. So we got all the way back to break even. We were at like 24.9 something. And then I took 2 dumb trades, and then I won 3. So we went back down. Then I won 3. We brought us back to break even. And now, guys, we're back up. This is the reality of trading, guys, all right? So I hope you guys are learning. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Subscribe if you're new. Join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram at MyMoneyForeign. We do this every day, guys, live every day, 9:30 a.m. We take trades every day as much as we can. Sometimes we don't get trades. But you guys, we finally got a trade this week. This has been a very horrendous week, but we finally got a good trade. So congratulations to everybody, all right? We hit another one.
Jeez.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So with that being said, here's what's going to happen real quick. We are going to do the breakdown. Okay, I'm going to do the breakdown as to why I entered this trade. So let me go ahead and show you guys that. All right, give me 1 second. I'm going to show you guys. Everybody was asking, bro, what was the technicals behind this? All right, so pardon me. For everybody who was asking, here is the breakdown of the trade that I took. 1 second. I'm just going to stop this video that I have you guys on. There we go. All right. So let's go ahead and do a breakdown of this trade. You guys can see it here, but I also have it marked up here on TradingView. So let's go ahead and take a look. Get rid of this. All right. We're going to go back. It's so easy, right? Hindsight is 20/20. It's so easy to be like, yeah, let's just go back and quickly demonstrate to you guys what I was looking at, blah, 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 blah. But in reality, this was a nightmare. All right, cool. So here we are. Let me go to the 1 hour so you guys can get a better look. All right, so here we are. Price had, you know what I mean, given us bearish structure. Started breaking these levels. You can see right here that price was going down, okay? We've been going like this. High, low, lower high, right? And it just continued all the way. I'm just kind of stretch this to kind of make it easier. Okay, this is all what you call bearish structure. Why? Because price, even though you get wicks like this, is giving us lower highs and lower lows. Sometimes it occasionally breaks like a previous high, but nothing too serious, okay? So here we have price doing all of this. When we got down here, we get a nice push below this level. So at this time, we always understand that price wants to come back and retest these type of zones. Now, usually, even though I use support and resistance as a name, I just read somebody's comment. Name of the prop, Smart Prop Trader. That's the prop firm. While I don't trade support and resistance, I do use it to mark up my charts and just it helps me find better zones. We saw that there was a nice gap here, and I said, well, there's a gap here within this support and resistance zone, which at this point is going to be resistance. So I said, okay, there's a good chance that price may be able to, you know what I mean, retest this level. But we have a problem. Price came here and gave us this. Usually when price is going down, it's supposed to go down further, break this low, and then come back up, retest it, and then go down some more. Okay, so we're supposed to get this, go back up, right? And then down some more, and then come and retest, and so on and so forth. We didn't get that. What we ended up getting was price coming down to this level here, and then it went all the way back up here. Okay, then we came back down here. Price went all the way back up here, and you guys get the gist. So what does this mean? This means that price is preparing to reverse. I've taught you guys this over and over and over, that when price doesn't break this low and it starts giving you this random movement like this, it's usually, you'll see it flirt, sometimes kind of wick, like I told you guys, it's usually reversing. So when I saw this, I said, okay, we have a problem here for two reasons. Number one, price is giving us a reversal pattern. Number two, when price did come to this level, or when news hit for CPI, it pushed all the way up here with force. So I was telling you guys before I entered the trade that there's a good chance price will blow through this zone and disrespect the zone. However, because of the fact that we still have overall bearish movement, and we have a support level that's going to possibly turn to resistance, and we have a gap and a zone in that area, I said there's a good chance that we can at least scalp it. Remember, guys, I'm a scalper. So for me, all I need is a piece of the move. I don't need the whole thing. People came in here and said, why in the world are you selling? Okay, it's because this matches my criteria. So what happened was price came up to this zone. You guys know me. I like to see price giving me higher highs, higher lows, and then eventually start to change structure and things of that nature. And then I start looking for entries to take towards the downside. So over here, I was talking to you guys at the time when this happened, and price started doing this. And I said to you guys, I think we're going to enter the trade. I just need to see how the candle closes. Price did this. And I said, you know what? This is good enough for me. I literally put my entry, I think it was just above here, something like that. And I said, if price comes back into this level, I'm just going to let it tap us in. And that's all that happened basically, right? This is the trade that actually tapped us in right here. It was a very, very sniper entry. We literally, you guys saw it live at the top of this wick, price got in. And then you would think that with momentum like this, we're going down, but you guys saw over and over and over and over, price kept going up and down. Then we consolidated for a hot minute. Then we broke out the consolidation a little bit towards the upside. We came back down. You know, I mean, you guys saw over and over and over and over, just a horrible trade. And then finally we hit TP. This is why, guys, for the record, why I don't trade gold. I don't like gold because of this. It's just always some type of nightmare fuel type of trade. But basically, guys, just to give you guys the understanding, that was all that it was. So my trading comes down to three things for those of you guys who are wondering, okay? I look for market direction. Okay, that's number one, aka trend. Then I look for market structure. Okay, why? Because you need to see how price is forming to determine if you should You know what I mean? Hop in the trade or not. Long story short, and then we have what we call a POI, which is also known as a point of interest. Okay? And once price gets to this point of interest, once I've determined the trend, okay, we should be going down. The market structure is showing us that we should be retracing out this level. And I identify the point of interest. Once it gets there, my fault, didn't put the bracket at the end. Once it gets there, I wait for my pattern, I hop in the trade. It's that simple. I risk 1 to 2. Might as well start adding them here. 1 to 2 RR every time. Okay, no more, no less. Trade has to either hit SL or that. You guys have seen me do this over and over. This is the strategy. Okay, this is it. This is all that I do. Now, there are other factors that are involved in it. Sometimes because of certain things I don't show you. You guys know I'm working on another strategy that helps me to get entries in like right here, where I'm getting like 1 to 4s and 1 to 6s consistently. I'll release that one day when it's fully finished. But my whole point is that my trading is very simple, guys. I don't complicate it. I look for the direction. I look at market structure, see what it's doing, mark up a point of interest, and if everything lines up there, I pull the trade. Now, when I pulled the trade, you guys remember me saying, man, I don't think I want to enter this trade, but I still did. Why? Because of my job as a trader is when the trades present themselves, enter. That's it. That's my job as a trader. When the trade presents itself, enter. If I failed to do that, I would have been a failed trader today. Even regardless of whether it hits stop loss or TP, if I took the trade because it presents itself, that's a W. That's what I consider a win. A good trader takes the setups. You can't let your emotions and, oh man, but it's gold and we're super bullish. People came in here, you guys saw, saying, you know, we're bullish. Why are you buying? Or why are you selling? And I kept telling them, you guys, I've been doing this for 4 years. This is what I do. Okay? So I hope this makes sense. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to do a proper breakdown where I will show you the markups, everything like in detail. I'll show you guys properly how this works out. But for now, this is the gist of it. So Felix, I don't know if you're still in here. I hope you are. If you are, this is the breakdown of this trade. Alrighty, Felix. So yeah, shout out to all of you guys who were here from the beginning. We were in this trade for, in fact, we could check. We were in this trade for how long? This trade closed positions. Let's check over here. 1408, sorry, to 1520. So at least an hour. Looks like an hour and 12 minutes. An hour and 12 minutes. You're very welcome, Felix. You're here. Perfect. You're very welcome. All right. You'll see on my channel, I do more of these breakdowns. I always go back and show people who missed it what it really looked like and stuff. So I'll do a more in-depth breakdown on my channel just in case this was too fast-paced or it seemed like I skipped some stuff. All right. How much pips? That's a good question. I don't even know. Let's see. Let's check TradingView. TradingView would tell me. From entry to thing was... One second. Move this over. I don't think this is correct. Let me see something. I think with gold, you're supposed to take off 1. So I think that's 54 pips. I don't think it's 500. I could be wrong. I don't. Thank you, DJ Mustang. But let me see if it says on here. Guys, I don't trade Forex, so just bear with me. Indices are way different. With indices, this move right here literally is like, it would actually be like 500 pips, like for real. Not like, oh, we got to take one off. It would actually be like 500 pips because indices move heavily. Okay, so 55 pips. Thank you. There you go, 55 pips. Thank you very much, Fauci. All right, so 55 pips. So it doesn't say on here. 55 pips, guys. All right, so that's that, guys. So yeah, that's it for today's trade. All right, I came late today, guys. I came on here almost 10 o'clock, so I slept 5 hours, so I wasn't having the best day. Not that cognizant, but that's what it is. Any questions before we wrap this up, guys? Any questions? Anything you guys want me to? Some of you guys were asking me to break down some other pairs. I know it's probably too late now, but you know, because I was late today, trying to make it up to you guys real quick. I'm gonna call this very soon because we've already done what we need to do for the day. But is there anything else you guys have? Quick breakdown, questions? If not, we will salute each other and bid each other farewell. So I'm gonna leave because I know there's a delay of like, I don't know, sometimes it's like 30 seconds. So I'll give it a minute or so. And if not, we will call it. But again, those of you who are new, I hope you learned. This is not for signals. It's just trading is following your rules and being consistent. That's it. All right. If you follow your rules and you take the entries that present themselves, you are going to make money. All right. This is how I got funded. This is how, look, now it's, you know what I'm saying? Now it's moving. And I said this, that if it started breaking this level, it'd probably start pouring. So, and this is what some people do. They'll say, oh man, bro, you know what? Especially when it comes down here. Thank you guys for liking the stream, by the way. I see everybody providing the hearts. Adib said home location. Adib, you're not going to kidnap me, bro. It's not going to happen. Adib is absolutely crazy. Adib, how many times do I have to play this for you? Okay? Adib, you're being a very... Let me just close this. You're being a very...
You are a bad boy.
Yeah, man.
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
All right, Adib, you're being bad, bro. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. But yeah, so later on, what will happen is that, especially when you're new, you'll see something like this happen where price came all the way, like let's say it came all the way down here. And guess what you would say? Man, I should have held. You were sweating, okay? And like having heart attacks when price was in this range. Now you're talking about holding. Take your 1 to 2 and go home. All right? Price, for all we know, price can come all the way back down here. But that's not how it works, okay? Take your profits and walk away. You live to trade another day. So yeah, man, Adib with his... Adib, I asked if you guys have any more questions, and you're asking for my home location. You're no good. That's terrible. Adib, that's terrible. All right, so in my opinion, before we go, since there are no other questions, you guys can see there's a massive gap right here, right? This, we'll have to wait and see what price does within this range. For those of you who are looking to go back up, this might be what you're looking for. Might be what you're looking for. Because if price breaks this level, I don't mean wick, but actually breaks this level, we have a solid change in character, market structure shift, whatever you want to call it. 255 Dundas Street West. Yeah, Deep, that's my address. Go there. Bro, get him an address from Chalk Farm, bro. Or Falstaff. Yo, we will see Adib on the news. This just in on CP24. A young man by the name of Adib was recently kidnapped and bro, watch. Go to this address, bro. So for those of you guys who are looking to get into a buy, this is your last line of defense. Depending on what happens here, you might be able to take it towards the upside. Alrighty. 52 division in Toronto. That's hilarious. In my defense, that is a question. It is a question, indeed. Just the wrong one. Okay? Just the wrong one. Oh, man. All right, guys. So I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. We've taken a trade today. So that, you know what that means? It means tomorrow we can be super picky. Tomorrow, if there is no proper trade or the trade's so questionable, we can say, we good. Or if we see another fire setup, we can take that trade as well. All right, guys. So wrong postal code. How do you know? Anyways, with that being said, guys, again, if you have nothing else, I think I'm going to call it here. I appreciate all of you guys watching. If you're new, please join the Discord. It's pinned in the comments. You can follow me on Instagram as well at MyMoneyForeign. We do this every day at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for free. No paywall. Join the Discord. It's free. Follow me on Instagram. Obviously, that's free. And we do this every day. So far, this is where the account is. For those of you who are just joining, the account is right here. We just hit TP. And so we are up a couple $100, almost $300. All right. So remember I told you guys that we are basically 4 trades away. So we're risking 0.5%. So the next trade, if we can get to 2%, then we'll be like, basically I'll work it out so that we're 2 trades away from passing the account. All right. With that being said, guys, I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for joining and watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And as always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace, guys. I love you guys. Have a great day, all right? I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:30. Let me just end this stream right here. What am I about to say? Everything's coming in so late. How long is this delay? Fire. Thank you. All right. I see the peace and stuff coming in. Safety. Okay, cool. You guys have a great day. All right. I just want to see there was a bit of a delay. You guys have a wonderful